Imagine spending 30 days testing 7 different online side hustles, some hyped all over the internet, some that gurus claim will make you rich overnight, and some that sound so simple they almost feel suspicious.
Now, here's the twist. By the end of the experiment, 5 of them barely made lunch money, 1 was surprisingly decent, and 1 paid more than everything else combined.
And the crazy part? The winner was not the one everyone talks about on YouTube. So in this video, I'm breaking down 7 popular online side hustles I personally tested, how much time each one took, how much money it actually made, and which one is secretly the best for beginners in 2026. And trust me, side hustle number 6 shocked me. Let's start with the one that almost everyone recommends first.
Print on demand sounds amazing on paper. You upload designs to platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Etsy, and when someone buys a shirt, mug, or hoodie, the platform prints and ships it for you. No inventory, no shipping, and no upfront cost.
So I spent a week creating about 30 simple designs using free design tools and AI image generators. After that, I uploaded them to a few marketplaces and waited to see what would happen.
After 30 days, the total earnings were $18.40.
Now, to be fair, people absolutely do make money with print on demand. But the problem is competition. Thousands of new designs get uploaded every single day, and if you don't have a strong niche or marketing strategy, your products just get buried. So while print on demand is beginner-friendly, it's definitely slower than people think. Next, I tried something that's constantly advertised online: paid surveys. You've probably seen ads saying things like, "Make easy money answering questions from home." So I tested platforms like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie to see if the hype was real. Here's the reality. Most surveys paid somewhere between 30 cents and $1, and many of them took 10 to 20 minutes to complete. Even worse, sometimes you'd spend several minutes answering questions only to get kicked out because you didn't qualify. After several days of trying different surveys, the total came out to $9.72. Honestly, it felt like the slowest money imaginable. Surveys might be fine for tiny pocket money, but if your goal is building real online income, there are much better options. Then I moved to something more interesting: freelancing with AI. Freelancing used to require years of experience, but AI tools have completely changed the game. I tested offering simple services on Fiverr, like AI-assisted blog writing, resume editing, and social media captions. Instead of writing everything from scratch, I used AI to generate drafts and then edited them to sound natural and useful. Within about 2 weeks, I landed 3 small gigs. Nothing huge, but the total came to $74. And that experiment revealed something important. People aren't paying for how hard you work. They're paying for results. If you can deliver those results faster using AI tools, freelancing becomes much easier to start. After that, I tested selling digital templates, something that's quietly becoming one of the most underrated online businesses. Digital templates include things like Notion planners, budgeting spreadsheets, resume designs, or productivity trackers. The beauty of this hustle is that you create the product once and sell it over and over again. I made a simple productivity planner template and uploaded it to Gumroad and Etsy. Once it was listed, there was basically nothing left to do except wait and see if people would buy it. Within about a month, that single template made $112. That might not sound huge, but remember, that was only one product. Some creators build entire stores selling dozens of digital templates, which turns into a real passive income stream. Then I tested something that a lot of people are curious about right now: faceless YouTube channels. These are channels where the creator never appears on camera. Instead,
They use AI voiceovers, stock footage, and simple editing to produce videos.
I created a small channel posting short informational videos and experimented with simple content ideas. One of the videos started gaining traction and brought in some traffic. The channel wasn't monetized yet, but it generated affiliate clicks that earned about $46. That experiment showed something powerful. YouTube isn't just a place for entertainment, it's a massive traffic engine, and traffic can be turned into income through ads, affiliates, or digital products.
Next came something I honestly didn't expect to work: selling AI prompts.
At first, it sounded strange. Who would actually buy prompts?
But businesses and creators constantly want better workflows and faster ways to use AI, so I created a small pack of ChatGPT prompts designed for content creators and listed it online for $9.
Within a few weeks, it sold 14 copies. Total earnings $126. The reason this works is simple. You're not really selling text. You're selling a shortcut. People will always pay for shortcuts that save them time and effort. Finally, I tested affiliate marketing, and this turned out to be the highest earner of the entire experiment. Affiliate marketing simply means recommending tools or products and earning a commission when someone buys through your link. I didn't run ads or build complicated funnels. I just shared helpful resources and tools that I was already using. Over the 30 days, the commissions added up to $243, which made affiliate marketing the clear winner. And the reason it works so well is because you don't need to create your own product. You're simply connecting people with solutions they're already looking for, and the company handles the rest. After trying all 7 side hustles, one thing became very clear. Most online side hustles don't fail because they don't work. They fail because people jump between ideas too quickly or quit before momentum starts. The hustles that performed the best had a few things in common. They solved real problems, they had the ability to scale, and they didn't rely completely on trading time for money. So if you take anything from this experiment, it's this. The internet rewards people who create value and solve problems, not just people who chase quick cash. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see something really interesting, check out the next video where I test several AI side hustles that claim to make $1,000 a month, because the results might surprise you.